A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. I have a vision. I'm on one mission. I am on a mission. I want everybody in the world where talk the Jamaican language or just understand the Jamaican language or even just appreciate the Jamaican language. For hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language at least one time. So may I invite you to join me on that mission, yeah? If you do them three something, yeah. Number 1, click the like button. Number 2, I'm going to ask you one question. Try to answer it in the comments below. And number 3, share this video with all of your friends. Oh, and then if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, click the subscribe button now and the notification bell too, so that none of what I go on right there so we miss you. So here's the question. Which one more important? If you believe in a God or if you do good works? Think about it. Today, I'm going to read from the letter from James, chapter 2, from verse 14 to verse 26. My brother and sister, what sense do you think it make if somebody say them believe something, but not do the sitting them where we sure say they really believe? You think they can get saved that way there? If you see one of your brother or sister naked and hungry, nobody just tell him say, God bless you, your ear. Make sure you turn warm and keep your belly full. You think that can help him if you not give him nothing at all? As same so, if you say you believe something and not have no action to back it up, what you say you believe, no what nothing. It no make no sense. But somebody will say, one somebody believe in a Jesus and one next somebody do good work. But me would answer him say, all right then, show me how nobody can believe in a Jesus and not do good work. And me will show you say, me believe in a Jesus and that make me do the good sitting them when me do. You believe say uncle one God there. Good. All the DIIMAN them believe that and tremble. Oh, you know so fool. You know want me show you say, if somebody say them believe something, but not have no work for back up where they say them believe, it no work nothing. All right. You remember how God did test and prove. Say Father Abraham did really believe in him. Abraham did put him boy picnic Isaac on the altar for kill him and burn sacrifice to God. So, you see say what Abraham do shows him really believe God. So it happened just like what God word did say. Abraham believe in a God and God say him ever do the right thing. And so Abraham come to be God friend. So no say God, we say somebody a live right, not just true they say them believe in him, but cause them do where him say them for do. At the same way, Rahab, we did sleep with people for money, did do a right in a God's eye when she taking the Israel spy them and send them way one another way. So, same like how the body dead and no what nothing when the spirit left it. As same so, it no what nothing when somebody say them believe in a God and not do the work, was sure say they really believe. And God want this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.